Sunday Funday. I had to attempt to put in this grip royal steering wheel. Hopefully I don't fuck shit up. And unplug my battery and wait. So I'll let y'all. So while I was waiting for the battery to like drain out, put a few slaps on. Now you gotta represent everything. Got some hibbly fuck wrapping shit up in the background. I'm a real big fan of all the fucking L-Scent shit. Like all this shit's just fucking dope. Cars are wrecked inside. But I've already loosened these bolts up. Airbag's about to come out soon. It's probably already loose. Not yet. I'll be right back with that bullshit. Alright, now since I got the sketchy part out. I don't know, I think I'm just sketched out about airbags ever since was that fucking movie Neighbors? Yeah, man, they're making like bombs and shit of them. I don't trust that little fucker. And I need to get that fucker in. So, yeah. I get to break this bolt. Which I don't have any of the tools. Because they're in Ross's car. So we're going to use this, man. We're just going to break out the good old tire. Fucking breaker bar here. Little iron. 4-way. Yeah, I might just put the camera down to break this shit because I'm using my phone. I'm not fancy yet, and I don't have a GoPro yet. But I'll be right back. I mean, it's probably gonna take one good fucking torque. Ain't shit. Shit. So we got the bolt broke. I actually caught fucking like I fucked up. I was like, man, I ain't gonna be able to turn this bitch because my wheel's turning. And I was like, boom, lock it with the legs. It ain't going nowhere, bitch. Oh. Well, that was easy. Might need that ring there. Let's pull it away. There we go. Fucking A, man. There's so much shit on this damn wheel. Like, it's caught in. Man, what the fuck? Can somebody shut their damn alarm off? My god, dude. I have like, my hands are all jacked up from work and shit. So I'm trying not to cut myself anymore. Work's been fucking me up. Alright, so. This bitch is down to just the guts, man. There's all the stock shit. I gotta figure out which one goes to the horn. It's definitely not that one. It's one of these two. It's probably this one. Oh man, stressful. Well, now the easy part. You get to put the hub and shit on. Or the adapter hub. Legit. Didn't take no time to take this shit apart. People on videos be like talking about 4 hours and shit. I was just trying to watch videos, figure out how to hook a fucking horn up. Honestly, anything with a car doesn't take no time if you have some type of common fucking sense. Like, if you're just winging it, yeah, you're not gonna get far. But, yeah. Alright, all the hard work's done. Really nothing hard about it. The only thing I won't be sketched out is fucking airbag lights won't be on until I find out how to cut that off. Really ain't worried about the horn working, even though I got the button and shit. Probably about horn delete. I don't know what I'm about to do with that stock shit. Especially that airbag, man. That thing's gotta go somewhere. I don't fuck with that shit. But, I'm about to put the rest on. I'll go step by step. Screw it. But since I have nowhere to put this camera, I can't show y'all exactly what I'm doing. But I'll go ahead and put the actual hub piece on to the adapter. Alright, man, we got it all in. I think I turned the wheel when I fucking cranked that bolt. But let's see here. Yeah, I turned the wheel a little bit, but Damn, it looks so much better than that stock one. Gotta love the red. I'm just ready to plug the battery up and see how many damn lights pop up on the dash now. Shit looks good though. I need to clean the inside of my car out though, and buy my damn shift knob. What the fuck? If I can't figure out how to hook up the horn, I'm getting a damn horn delete. There we go. Straighten the wheel back up. I feel like I'm in a fucking race car now, man. I can see everything too. No more turning the volume up. I won't be able to ignore calls either. Shit. Gotta say, probably the quickest thing I've ever put on my car, or in my car. I mean, other than a fucking shift knob. Quickest mod. Right here. Definitely. The longest part's unplugging the battery and giving it time to, like, let all the juice out that bitch. I ain't gonna lie. Pulling the airbag out was still sketchy, even though there was no power to this car. Shit fucks with me. Oh yeah, I gotta hook the battery back up. I know it's not gonna work because I didn't connect shit. Just tucked all the wires back under here. I don't need a fucking horn. Shit, I don't ride nobody's ass, or I don't fuck with people, man. Damn. But legit, I'm gonna change this out eventually. I want it to be black. But if you're doing a Genesis Coupe aftermarket steering wheel install, there's like 2 bolts on each side. They're T40s, they're Torques. Dude, there's like no torque on them. You barely turn them. But they're a bitch because they got like pins in them. They're sitting outside. I don't have one on me, but they have like a clip. But if you fuck with the airbag enough, one of them will fall out, and then you can just push the airbag up. And the airbag has 2 clips on the back. You unclip that and another wire, then that bitch is good to go. Then you got the big ass bolt. It's 22 mil. One good crank. Well, I use my knees to hold the steering wheel from moving because it kept wanting to turn the wheel. And once you get that done, make sure you don't take it all the way off, and you gotta jerk the wheel a few good damn times. It'll pop off. Take all that shit off. Screw. My car has a screw under here. Never saw that in another video, but get that shit all off. And it's like 3 plug and play wires. Oh, and there's the old like hub fucking thing. I ain't even sure what the hell that thing was called. It's 3 clips too. I watched a few videos. They broke them. It's 3 clips, man. Well, 2 for me because I pretty much ripped the 3rd one out. Once all that's off, man, it's just, you just slap the shit back together. It's like 10 minutes. Unless you're trying to take your time. I just didn't want it to get dark outside, and it's still daylight, so I might go see what it's like driving with this. Not far, just go to Walmart. As I was saying, the lights that we're going to be on, it's not going to focus on them, but we got the fucking airbag light. I got to figure out how to get that off. And, oh, I forgot. I lost stability control, so yeah. Definitely not wanting to drive this during the winter time, because that's what saves my ass. It's all good though, fuck it. White face gang in this bitch, what up? Another video for you fuckers. I'm doing 2 in one day. I'm gonna hurry up. Upload another video today. I know I'm not getting any views, but dude, putting content out there. If you made it this far to the video, you saw that I put in a grip oil, quick release steering wheel. I put it's an NRG hub and an adapter hub. Probably gonna run you. The hub alone, just the black one that goes in, that's like $110. the wheel and the quick release that's on it. Rojas pretty much flowed that to me. I mean, we're roommates. We both drive the same car. So if it was just like, fuck it, man. Let me run your wheels. He'd probably let me run his wheels because I'd let him run mine. I don't give a fuck. Probably look crazy, dude. That'd be badass. You know, run a 19 in the back, 18 in the front, or 19 in the front, 18 in the back. I don't know, whatever the fuck we want to do. If you're looking to install a fucking wheel, it doesn't take no time. Do your research before you do it. That's what I did. Because I knew it took a torque bit, but I want to make sure everybody was using the same size. It's really nothing hard. You just gotta use your head, man. Simple shit. It's like building wheels. It's easy. It's all easy if you just fucking put your mind to it. But anyways, subscribe, like. I mean, you can share it. Fuck it. Leave a comment. I don't care. What do you want to see next? Give us ideas. Give us video ideas. Leave some comments below. Because, yeah, we're running out of mods right now. I mean, we got tight paychecks, but we still got shit coming in. We'll eventually have tires on all those and put them on the car. His are going to be a bitch to put on. He's having some fitment issues. I'm on bags, so my shit just fucking works, okay? Magically. I'm saying that now, but watch when I go to fucking put those on, it's going to suck ass. But yeah, man, fucking home alone. I got shit to do. Rojas is out doing shit. Figured I'd make a little video on Sunday. Fucking quick ass work, so hell. Hope everybody's enjoying their Sunday and fucking stay lit, fam.